Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Fear-Free Passive Investing. It has been a while. Uh, Thank you for tuning in after a not so brief hiatus. We've been doing a lot of deals. I think we've had 2 deals closed since the last episode that I put out, which is a little embarrassing, I'm sad to say. But we've been moving as well. My family and I moved to Virginia. I think that was one of the last episodes we did. And we've been getting settled. We had a lot to do. We had a lot to do to our house. We had a lot to do to set up the office that you can't really see behind us, but it's not a fancy studio anymore, unfortunately. But it's a lot more realistic of what our life is right now, which is working a lot. COVID did a lot of things for us, but one of those things is it made us work a lot harder than we were used to. But back at the podcast, it's hard to justify spending time on things that don't generate income. However, I'm committed to getting back and putting out some regular content. So I wanted to get on and let you know about some of the really good content I do have planned over the coming months. Some of it is recorded, some not yet. We have some great guests that have some really different things to talk about, some different insights into passive investing. We're going to do a case study of one of those deals that I closed recently. And we might or might not do that with our good friend, Brent Kawakami. We're going to dive into some alternative assets that might be invested in passively. There's some really interesting things going on outside right now, outside the realm of multifamily investing. So we're just going to do more and more content surrounding passive investing. The mission is and always has been regarding education of passive investing, and that's going to not change at all. In fact, we're going to double down on that. We have nothing to sell, no products to hawk, no limited time offers, if you will, just real people talking about real deals that we're doing, real things we're seeing in the passive investing space. And I've always asked my guests to be completely honest and share 100% of the things, the good and the bad and the ugly. We don't want to hide anything on this show, and we will continue to do that. It's actually really rare these days that someone would be willing to share some of that stuff. And so I want to remain committed because I want you, the passive investor, to realize what you're getting into when you do invest in these deals. I want you to make sure you're investing in the right way. And that is why our deal here at Fear-Free Passive Investing has always been to educate you. So with that, we'll end it here in just a brief update, but make sure to check out all the other episodes that we have out. If you're new here, if you just subscribed, make sure to go back and check out some of that stuff at fearfreepassive.com. Or you can always send me an email, fearfreepassive@gmail.com, and we'll get to them. I know I've got quite a few that are sitting in the queue, so we'll get to those soon. And if you have a question, I will be sure to answer it in the coming weeks. But yeah, with that, we'll end it here and look forward to talking with you again soon.